With monthly charges, I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the price almost near to 14 cent. Okay, because when the price was within this correct, I mean the move, we discussed about the next drop. Anyway, at this point, we want to see whether the price can break the 14 cent or not. If the price couldn't break the 14 cent, any reversal from there, we're looking for 53 following by 65 cent. Anyway, at this point, after we get this drop the price from here because of the news, all right, now we want to see how this support the 40s and how strong is this, because again, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we discussed about the next drop, and at this point, if the price uh, couldn't break the 14 cent, then any opportunity for buy, this is the where I'm going to take the trade. And mostly we are expecting, even if the price tag or break is 14 cent, it cannot drop below 10. All right, mostly we're looking at the 14 as a strong support. That's mean any opportunity for buy from there, we'll take it. The only thing is we want a price tag. We want to see how strong is that. And as I mentioned, for me, I think the price, even if drop to 14 cent, this is what I'm looking for. But as I mentioned, we have to look for the trade setup. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup, because if, and even if we move to lower time frame based on daily chart, see the waves dropping, following by divergence. That's why for me, I prefer the price drop to retest or tag 14 cent. Then from there, I will start to look for buy. That's mean at this point, we have a divergence, and any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. Mostly we have to look for the trade based on lower time frame. But for me, this is how I do at this point. Any opportunity for buy, I will take it. If it move in my direction, I keep the trade. If not, then I will take the trade. I will look for the next drop. Then any opportunity for buy as a reversal from there, again, I will take it. All right, because we can expect the price consolidate here for a longer time before we look for buy. Okay, then and at this point, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. But and if we move to forward chart, even at this, based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup, but the best if the price retest or tag the previous low following by divergence. This is the best trade we can look for. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. Any opportunity for buy, it depends on the strategy the traders they're using. From here, if they take, they have to look for the breakout of the 17. If the price couldn't break the 17, then from there we can look for the next drop again. That's why I mentioned, if the price retest the previous low 14 following by divergence, this is where for me I will look for buy. All right, and it doesn't mean we cannot look for buy at this point, but I'm looking for the best or better trade setup. Okay, then if we move to 1 hour chart, whether we should look for buy from here or not, we don't see any confirmation. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they should, if they take the trade, they should look for the breakout of the 17, because we want to see the breakout of this soon. Okay, that's why we prefer to buy at the lowest price of this correction, not the mid or at the top. Okay, then if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they should look for the breakout of the previous following by 17. If they get the trade, they see is not moving within the first 2 hours, they should take out the trade. Okay, anyway, we can expect the price consolidate for more longer time, similar to what we have here, before we look for the reversal. And in this case, we just follow the chart. We want to see whether we get any confirmation or not. But at this point, based on daily chart, we have a divergence. That's why from now, we should look for the trade setup. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.